Alright, so as you can see, we've put on the Addictive Desert Designs bumper on already, but I've got to pull it back off to do the lights in the lower pods. A lot of people think that the plastic bumpers are doing better than the steel ones that are coming in with the Rubicons, but what I ended up doing was hitting a rock on this lower corner right here, shoving this bracket up into the Jeep. As you can tell here, it broke it. So because of that, that's why we're replacing the bumper out. And just like the steel bumper, we did get a little bit of body damage right there. I can get this in focus. There we go. So it did take a little bit of a notch out, which we put a little bit of paint on it. It's good. But we also wanted to review this bumper. This one here I got on a special, so I did not get the license plate bracket that came in here, and I'm actually doing this one here. I'll show you. From Moto Built. As you can tell, it is up in pieces right now. I'll show you that one in a different video, putting that together. I'm not going to go over how to get your old bumper off. There's plenty of videos on that already, but to get this one on, all that it takes, 2 bolts on each side and 1 down in the middle. Those 3 bolts are holding this whole entire thing on. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and get this back off so we can get some of those lights on, and I'll show you some of that process on the inside, and you can kind of see the build quality. But want to do kind of a walk around and let you see the heights of it, because there's not a lot of photos out there right now that show you ground clearance. Kind of the angles that you can see. Alright, and this is what it looks like from the back side. Just kind of give you kind of the heavy dutiness that it is. It is all welded, except with a couple little plates that have the bolts in it. Those are where your lights go. Alright, and as you can tell, this is it mounted back up with the lights. This is a 35-inch tire. There is no relocation bracket or anything to change it, so this is going to be on all the factory OEM stuff, but with just a different rim and tire and 35. And as you can see, the clearance on it is just barely minimal, so you can run a 35 on this, no issue. And one thing I did forget to point out earlier, if you are running your trailer hitch, this is one additional bolt that does go in. If you're not running the trailer hitch, you just don't have that bolt.